from 2009 to 2011, including leading the synchro pair. He then moved on to fly the
First year as the team's leader, he's a former Florida F3 Air Defence pilot, but previously spent time in the Renault from 2009 to 2011. He left in 9 hours.
Ladies and gentlemen, Luke could not do this all on his own. He's a full crew and an engineering support team to make this all happen. Luke is now going to perform a low-level orbit showing the underside of the aircraft. With over 35 years of experience or service in the RAF, the Chinook has formed the backbone of the support helicopter fleet. Since those early days in the Falklands, it has a series of upgrades and enhancements and still packs a punch, with the ability to fly nearly 25 tons. That is the same as 2 double-decker buses. But despite its heavy lift capability, the Chinook offers impressive manoeuvrability, as you're about to see as Luke is going to position into the roller coaster.
Problems all right?
The fluffy one. He's so fluffy.
The one on the end down there, you want to hold him instead, yeah?
Oh no, just because the little grey one was in the box just now.
Yeah.
He's so fluffy.
Yeah, there he is, over there, yeah.
From Northern Australia. The more common one is the laughing kookaburra.
What's his main diet?
It comes from the kingfisher family, so he would eat fish, but he mainly eats mammals. They've sort of evolved a little bit now, you know.
Small rodent.
Yeah.
I'm glad I'm not a mouse.
Ladies and gentlemen, Luke could not do this all on his own. He's a full
The Vulcan point.